Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete Blogger account permanently, and I will show you how to delete your Blogger profile also. So let's start. First open website blogger.com and then on top right corner click on sign in and then log in with your Gmail account on which Blogger account is set up. Now you can see Blogger account is opened and on left hand side there is setting option. Click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see under manage blog section there is a option of remove your blog. Just tap on it. Then a pop-up message will display in which it is written that deleted blogs can be restored within 90 days. Means you can restore your blog before 90 days after deletion. You can also take a backup of your blog by just tap on download blog. Now click on delete and then there are two options, permanently delete or undelete. Just tap on permanently delete and then again tap on permanently delete. Now our blog is deleted, and in next step we have to delete Blogger profile. Just tap on settings and then select user profile and then scroll down. Here you can see delete profile option. Just tap on it and then tap on delete icon and then click and check box and then tap on delete Blogger profile. Now a message will display on screen that Blogger data successfully deleted. So through this way you can delete your Blogger account as well as Blogger profile permanently. I hope you like this video. Hit subscribe button